Now based on the videos we have discussed, now we will see one video based on this casting process. Now pay attention here. The patterns are made from the top and bottom halves. This is half part of the pattern and this is another half part of the pattern. Means pattern here is made in two parts, and these are the supporting plates, that may be wooden plate or metal plates. Now patterns are placed on these plates. Now these are the opening for the sprue, and this is another opening is for the riser. Now this sprue and riser is also attached to the pattern. This is half part of pattern, this is another half part of the pattern. These are made up of metal. Now this is sand casting process. We have seen here pattern is made in two parts. Also the opening required for the sprue and the riser is also attached. These two are the parts, half parts of the flask. This is one half part of the flask, this is another half part of the flask, and this red color is the molding sand. Molding sand is placed on the surface of pattern. This is half part of the pattern is rammed at this location. Another half part of the pattern is rammed at another location. Now this is completely filled. Now this activity is called as a ramming. Sand is a compacted. Compaction means ramming. Application of the pressure on the surface of the sand so that this sand will take the shape of the pattern. Now this is a flask. Inside this flask we have placed the platter, and on the pattern we have placed the molding sand, and after placing of this molding sand on the pattern, compaction is carried out by using this platter. Now after compaction the molding sand will get the shape of the pattern. Now the flask is inverted. Now this is the step to remove the pattern. Now these two are the parts of the pattern, they are removed. After compaction, pattern is removed from the molding sand, and at the place of pattern whatever you are sieving, that cavity, this cavity is a mold cavity, and in that mold cavity we have to pour the molten metal. Now two half part of the mold cavity, they are joined together. These are called as a locating pins. One locating pin at this side, another is at other side. This locating pin is used to keep the alignment between the two parts of the flask. Upper molding part of the flask is called a cope, lower molding part of the flask is called as a drag. The imaginary line joining the cope and drag portion is called as a parting line. Locating pins, they are used to keep the alignment between the two parts of the flask. Now this is the opening. One of the opening is used for feeding of the molten metal, and another opening is provided for the riser. Now this is the mold cavity. Now this mold cavity is ready to pour. म्हणजे आपल्याला ह्यात molten metal ओतायचं आहे. Now this is the molten metal. This red color is molten metal, वितळलेलं metal आहे. And this is a ladle. जो white color चा जो pot आहे, that is ladle. This ladle is used to carry the molten metal from melting station to the pouring station. हे आहे ते pouring station. इथं आपण ओतकाम करतो. हे कशात ओतलंय? pouring basin. pouring बेसिनच्या खाली स्प्रू, रनर, इनगेट्समधून या मोल्ड कॅव्हिटीमध्ये आत जाणार, अँड मेटल विल कम इनसाइड दिस रायझर. हे कंप्लीट भरल्यानंतर मेटल इथे येणार. दिस इज द रायझर. इथं मेटल आपल्याला दिसलं की वी आर स्टॉपिंग द pouring. Now metal will solidify, it will cool, it will lose heat to the environment by using radiation as well as convection mode of heat transfer, and it will solidify. After solidification we have to break this mold. This mold is locating pins are removed. Now this mold is separated and this casting is taken out. This part we have to break down. In actual practice we have to break down this so that we will get the casting. Now this is the casting, this is the final casting. Now I have to cut this riser part as well as get sprue part, and this middle portion is our final casting. Now that casting is ready for shipping. This is rejected, and this is the finished cast part that we have to use for further processing, that is it's a inspection, heat treatment, everything. Now the second video is also used to clear some of the idea. Now you can see here these two are again parts of the pattern. This red color is part of the pattern and this is the supporting plate. Now these two parts of the flask, upper molding part of the flask is scope and one of will be the drag. आपण हा फ्लास्क ठेवलाय पॅटर्नच्या कडेने and this is the molding sand. This molding sand is a mixture of silica sand plus bentonite plus moisture. हे आपण ह्याच्यातून ही मोल्डिंग सँड पॅटर्नवरती आपण हे करणार, पुअर करणार ह्या साईडला आणि ह्या साईडला मोल्डिंग सँड आपण त्याच्यात टाकणार पॅटर्नच्या सरफेसवरती. अँड आफ्टर कंप्लीट फिलिंग ऑफ दिस फ्लास्क विथ द मोल्डिंग सँड कॉम्पॅक्शन इज कॅरीड आउट. आता हा पण दिस इज द कॉम्पॅक्शन. ॲप्लिकेशन ऑफ प्रेशर ऑन द मोल्डिंग सँड इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ compaction. The same thing will be carried out at this location. Now this is the pouring basin and this is the riser. हे दोन ओपनिंग आपण ठेवलेले. Now we have to again carry out the same activity, that is molding sand is placed on the surface of this pattern and compaction is carried out. After compaction we have to remove the sprue, riser as well as pattern. आफ्टर कॉम्पॅक्शन वी हॅव टू इन्व्हर्ट इट, म्हणजे दोन्ही हे जे फ्लास्क आहेत ते उलटे करायचे. उलटे केल्यानंतर वी हॅव टू रिमूव्ह द पॅटर्न. हाफ ऑफ द पॅटर्न इज रॅम्ड इनसाइड दिस. हा जो दिसतोय रेड कलरचा दॅट इज पॅटर्न आणि येलोइश कलरचे आहे दॅट इज रॅम्ड मोल्डिंग सँड. दिस इज रिमूव्हल ऑफ द पॅटर्न. हिअर ऑल्सो वी हॅव टू रिमूव्ह दिस pattern as well as extension unit. This is the core. Now this core is used to prepare the hollow casting. This is the core. This is used to prepare the hollow casting. हा core it is also made up of sand. तो आपण इथं प्लेस करणार. This core is mounted on this core seat. इथे एक तुम्हाला hollow cavity दिसते ह्या साईडला आणि ह्या साईडला. That is called as a core seat on which core is mounted. हा core ठेवला. Now this half part is inverted on this another half part. Locating pins, these are called as locating pins. To keep the alignment between the cope and drag, these locating pins are used. And this black color line is called as a parting line. This is imaginary line which joins this cope and drag portion. Now that mold is ready to pour. Now this is the pouring. This red color is molten metal. It is poured inside the pouring basin. This is funnel shaped cavity is called as a pouring basin. Below that is the sprue. It is connecting member of pouring basin to the runner. It is vertical in nature always. This horizontal channel is runner, that is connecting member of sprue to the ingate. Metal will enter from this passage, that is called as a gating system. Passage or channel of molten metal through which channel of the gating system through which molten metal enters inside the mold cavity is called as a gating system, and this portion is called as a riser, and inside this is called as a mold cavity. Now you can see the path. रेड कलर जे मोल्टन मेटल आहे ते गॅटिंग सिस्टीममधून मोल्ड कॅव्हिटीमध्ये आलं आहे. मोल्ड कॅव्हिटी भरल्यानंतर मेटल रायझरमध्ये आलं आहे. वी हॅव टू अलाव इट टू सॉलिडिफाय फॉर 15 to 20 minutes. वी विल अलाव इट टू सॉलिडिफाय. आफ्टर सॉलिडिफिकेशन ब्रेकिंग दिस mold cavity is broken down to remove this casting. This is our area of interest. This is the casting. This core, this yellow color core is also broken down to take the final casting. Now this is casting. We have to cut the metal solidified in the gating system as well as riser, and we have to also break down the core.